Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes back with another one, guys. So let's go and jump right into it. Before we do that, watch out for spam, WhatsApp in the comments down below. Feel free to join VIP to be alerted whenever we get in and out of plays. We had crazy returns on Friday, over 65%. The day before, we made over 100%. So let's go ahead and take a look at it, guys, because Bitcoin, Shiba new, is it ready to rally in here in 2023, or do we got some more setbacks? So as we know, guys, like I told you guys, at 54,000 Bitcoin price, I told you guys it would come all the way down to $20,000 per coin. Once it came there, I didn't say, oh, we dropped 30 bands, now it's time to go up. I said, nope, it's time to drop even more. We're going to come down to 10K. We came down to 14, 15K-ish back a couple months ago. And now it's shooting back up it shot up to 17K, now consolidating at 16,000. Bitcoin got support at 16,400. It hold up at 16,400, and 16,200 is what it don't need to break below if it want to see a little mini spike here in the future, which I believe is about to happen for the overall market in Bitcoin. Even though once it spike, it could come back down, close that gap field at 10K, and then shoot back up very aggressively, if that makes sense. So basically what I'm saying is Bitcoin got a resistance at 16,800, support at 16,400. And if it break through 16,800, which I think it will, it could shoot up to 17,000, 18,000, maybe even 20,000 before coming back down and splitting half. Same thing with overall market. Even though 2023 is already going in shaky, shabby, even though inflation has came down a bit, it's still bad. The economy is still looking bad, because even though it's came down, even though prices came down, inflation came down, the economy still doesn't have any money to spend to keep the world turning, to keep that hamster wheel swirling, with people making money, spending money, making money, spending money. People doesn't have the money to spend, so it's not keeping the economy flowing. So a lot of businesses going into 2023 isn't looking too good, and if business is not looking too good, the world top 500 companies and the big companies that we spend money at on the daily, they're not looking too good. The stock market not looking too good, right? But like we know, guys, like I tell you guys, price action is everything. I don't too much care about the fundamentals and if the business is not looking good right now, because this is just temporarily. Pretty soon, wages is going to go up. A lot of people is going to be making way more money, $17, $20 an hour. People are already excited by $17, $18, $19, $20 an hour, because they know stuff is higher, but still, it's just a simple fact. People was used to getting paid 12 and 13 an hour, 14 an hour, and now they get that increase. They like, whoa. So they're going to be back spending money, because things is going to even out again, if that makes sense. Because as things were sky high, but now things came back lower, gas cheaper, products cheaper. Now people able to utilize that 17, 18, 19, $20 an hour and feel a bit difference. See, before, when things were as high as hell, that 17, 18, 19, $20 an hour ain't make no difference, because things were so high. It was like I was still losing. Like, it's like you still losing, if that makes sense, right? So anyways, if we take a look at Shiba new, guys, we know the whales is loading up. Like I told you guys, just use it as a piece of homework, looking at, what I'm doing, what the big money is doing. Use it as homework, come up with your own conclusions, and move, smart and meticulous with your money however you please, guys. So in the past 24 hours, there have been a total of 302.5 million Shiba new tokens burned in 5 transactions. So Shiba new, the circulating supply is steady going down. As the circulating supply goes down, that helps your Shiba new that you hold become more rare, more valuable, and can help the increase in value go up even easier. So that's why it's having us a hard time to get to a penny or a dollar, because of the circulating supply. But as they get that down, that's going to be, in returns, great for the Shiba new that you continue to hold. So Ethereum will scoop up Shiba new tokens. Ethereum network's large wallet investors continue accumulating the second largest meme coin, Shiba new. Rising demand for the Doge themed cryptocurrency failed to influence Shiba price. The meme coin is 90% away from its all-time high. Shiba new price has been stuck in the same price range since mid-December 2022, similar to the bottom of June 2022 crash. That's a key point that you want to pay attention to. It's being stagnant. It's being stuck. That's exactly what you want to see. You know what that means? Buyers and sellers come into agreement. This is a fair price. Meaning a drastic crash can happen, still can happen. If Bitcoin crash, it's going to crash. But overall, it's showing that this is a fair value. Ain't too many people selling. Ain't too many people buying. It's stuck. Good. Like it's an even price. That means it's a good buy. But anyways, guys, if we take a look right here, we see Shiba new burns jumps 13,198% in 24 hours. Is it Shiba Room related? So we know Shiba Room is to be set to release this year, guys, in 2023. You definitely want to be trying to get an early release on that on launch date. We've seen what happened to Shiba New when it first launched in August 2020. Just $100 would have made you a millionaire. So you already know what to do, guys. I love you. Add your boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. Get in VIP, and we